Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're looking at the Milwaukee deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers. And that way we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. If you guys hit the like button and subscribe. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Yeah, that's the brushed for $149. For that price, I guess you can just buy another set. So, but if you want the brush version, $149, and then you got that one for $99. That is the $99 deal that they have. You buy that kit, and you get any of these tools for free. My thing is, you guys could get the oscillating or the rotary. Those are the most expensive tools that they have, and definitely recommend those. And if you need the other one, whatever tool works for you. It just depends on case for case scenario. This is some nice gloves there. They do protect your knuckles there for $19.97. And then you got some blades there. You got the multi-tool for $29.99 or $98. That's the kit right there. It's the last one that they have here. And yeah, these kits are hard to find because they've been selling like crazy. As a matter of fact, I was gonna pick it up, but I said I was gonna come back for it and never did. Because it's harder to record with one hand and then just carrying with the other. So anyways, I said I was gonna come back and never did. You got $14.97 for the screwdrivers. There's some nice screwdrivers, Milwaukee, and then you got some tape measures, 25 feet for $9.97. You got 3 pairs of gloves for $9.88. Look really nice. I think these are great, especially for yard work and stuff like that. You got a toolbox there, $24.97 for the flashlights. They don't have the regular flashlight anymore. They sold out of it. Guess it's a good flashlight. They still have the headlamp there. And then you got this flashlight, 445 lumen, $49.87. It's the Rover. And then I got the other battery kit. That's a $179 deal. You basically buy that kit, you get all those tools for free. That's pretty much what the tools they had left on this Home Depot. So they only had a few kits there left, and a few rocket lights. Actually, one rocket light, if you guys see there. Yeah, they don't have much. All these Home Depots are running low on stock. So especially on these deals, as you guys can see, there's only one left. $29.98 for that hole dozer. Yeah, they always have this hole dozer. The only thing with this hole dozer, it doesn't come with bigger sizes. It only comes with smaller sizes, and plus we always see it at this. We always see it at that price. You got $99 deals here. You got the 8-piece impact, 1/4 drive, 6-point. That's the impact driver, $99, battery and a charger. Those are the sockets. You got the 2 batteries for $99, and that's the drill driver, I believe. All those for $99, and these are the Labor Day savings, by the way. You got the rigid vac, and then these, I was looking at other stores have them for $24.97, and they come with 2 free bags. So when you're buying filters, make sure you're getting the $24.97 with 2 free bags. This did not have that. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna be going to another Home Depot. Actually, I did went to another Home Depot. I will be getting out the video. I believe on Sunday. It'll be rolling out either Saturday or Sunday. It'll be rolling out today's, or the Home Depot that I went today. And they did have that different kit for $24.97 for those 2 filters. And then you got some wood chisels and some more gloves here. And guys, every Home Depot is different. I'm just showing you guys what this Home Depot had. But if you go to another Home Depot, they might have something totally different prices, and just the different kits and stuff like that. So it just varies between Home Depot to Home Depot. I recommend you just go to the store and take a look what's there. If you see anything that's good for you or your convenience, and pick it up, because you're probably not going to see it, because they're going to be selling out basically. This Home Depot did have the Halloween, as you guys see. That's the Halloween display. Not all Home Depots have that Halloween display, so it just depends. I got $14.97 for a 50 piece, $59 for the battery. It's a 2 amp hour. I know there's better deals out there. I'd rather get that $199 kit. That is the XR. That's a nice kit. One of the better versions of the XR or the DeWalt. Not top of the line, but one of the ones that are top of the line. $199 for those, so basically $100 with 2 batteries and a charger. So not a bad deal. And those are made in the USA, by the way. So on these, you're supposed to be getting the better ones. As you guys see there, they still have a few kits left on this store. $19.97 for the countersink. Got a 5 amp hour battery. And those are the DeWalt, those Atomic 129. So it just depends what you want. If you want a more newer tool like an Atomic, or you want an older XR version. So yeah, like I said, XR is a much killer deal. This is it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.